why do we need to breathe? I mean, you know that we need to breathe, but have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why is this? Just 15 seconds without oxygen will lead to unconsciousness, 4 minutes to brain damage, and death will come not long after. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why exactly is this? Why do we breathe? Your body makes energy through the process of cellular respiration, a phrase which means the cell breathes. Glucose and oxygen are converted to carbon dioxide and water, as well as energy in the form of ATP molecules. This involves many steps, beginning in the cytoplasm and ending in the intermembrane space of the mitochondria. There, electrons from glucose, carried by NADH carrier molecules, are passed on a chain of protein complexes. These complexes pump protons against their concentration gradient, which then fall back down the gradient through ATP synthase. ATP synthase spins to create ATP. And our electrons? Well, at the end of the chain, they bind to oxygen, the final electron acceptor of the ETC. Without oxygen, the electrons can't move on, and everything stalls. ATP synthase stops being able to produce. The end? Not quite yet. See, a small amount of ATP is produced during earlier steps of cellular respiration, like glycolysis and the Krebs cycle, and just this small amount is enough to keep us alive. Then why do we breathe? Why run an electron transport chain? We function a lot better with that extra ATP, but why is it critical to survival? When the ETC shuts down, NADH stops being converted to NAD+. Glycolysis and the Krebs cycle need NAD+ as an input, and unlike facultative anaerobes like yeast, most of our cells can't regenerate NAD+ without oxygen. Now, even that small amount of initial ATP cannot be produced, and without it, the body quickly fails. One faulty machine stops the entire factory because the machines are dependent on each other. So, why do we breathe? We breathe to use oxygen as the final electron acceptor in the mitochondrial electron transport chain, which supports ATP production not just here, but during the entire process of cellular respiration. It's the explanation behind what you already know to be true. We breathe to live.